What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been like a week or so since I posted last. Just kind of don't really have anything to post right now, getting ready for the holidays and stuff. But today I think we're just gonna clean GLI, because I mean it needs wicked bad cleaning inside and out. I don't know if we're gonna get to the outside because it's kind of really cold, so I don't know if I want to wash it. I might just go through the car wash or something, but let's go start it up. It's wicked cold out, so. Alright, let's see what we got here.
Didn't ruin my Christmas, mate.
Sounds good in the morning. I'm not trying to bore you guys, I just don't have much to do right now and I need to get some videos up, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna head to the car wash right now, gonna vacuum it, gonna do a nice car wash, and that's pretty much it for this video, so let's get to it. Alright, so let's get started. Let's fucking vacuum this thing, make it all nice and clean, and then I'll see you guys after. Get in there. Wow. Are you fucking serious? Fuck the car wash. Fucking vacuum. What the fuck? So we got the plastic at the rear. Looking really somewhat decent. Vacuum the seats, everything. Gotta get this thing looking nice. Got some family coming from Christmas, so I need to bring them anywhere. Gotta have this thing looking nice and clean. Probably literally been like a month and a half since I've actually vacuumed my car. It's been so long, so I'm actually happy, proud of myself for doing this right now when it's actually like 29 degrees out. But I'm almost done, so bear with me. If you can't tell, my side actually a complete fucking mess. It's great. Huh. So got the whole passenger side looking clean. Clean as possible. Alright, so just finished cleaning, just vacuuming the car. Now I'm gonna head over. Actually have to go to the store to buy a Christmas present for my brother, and then which is actually right across the street from the car wash. So I'm gonna hit the store first, and then I'm gonna hit the car wash. So I'll see you guys when I get there. It literally feels so nice getting into a car that's clean after being dirty for so long. But you have no idea the feeling. Like, it just feels so nice to get into a clean car without picking up your friend or something and them getting in and seeing all the fucking dirt and shit everywhere. But yeah, I mean, now I just need to go wash it. It's gonna look perfect. It's gonna look perfect. Spray that I can use, all this stuff, the radio. I clean all this at home, but I have the right tools for that, so I'm gonna do that stuff today. Just fix that stuff because I don't really like how it looks and it needs to get fixed. So we might be doing that today. I'm not sure.
Please select your wash package. Please take your change from the tray below.
Thank you. Thank you, my friend. You're great.
Please insert money and select wash.
Only $1 at a time, huh?
Please take your receipt. The wash is available. Please
Thanks.
enter wash now.
Dropping all my money.
The wash is available. Please enter wash now.
Scattered clouds. Tomorrow you could see a pop-up shower to start the day. And this report is sponsored by Hallmark. Christmas is around the corner. If you're looking to wow the ones you care about, Hallmark
I need this really bad. This car needs this really bad. This is the scariest part about this car wash. I feel like my car is about to break into fucking smithereens. Whole thing's shaking. Oh my god. It scares me every time. Every time. Alright, still a little wet. But a lot better. Looks a lot better. She needed that. She needed a little wash. All clean. I like that. It's been so long. It's just too cold to wash these fucking cars. Alright, so we just got back home. I'm gonna quick detail the inside of the car, the interior. And I'm gonna also clean the windows because I just got the car washed and there's water spots everywhere on the windows. So I'm gonna do that as well. Cleaner, I'm using this Zep non-streaking cleaner. This is probably the best window cleaner out there. I always use it. It actually leaves like no streaks at all. If you want this, you can find this in the description below. For the inside, I'm just using Tough Stuff multi-purpose. I honestly like it. This stuff does a really good job to clean all the radio and all that vinyl stuff in the car. So I'm gonna use this. You can also find this in the description below. Go check it out. Go use it. This stuff's amazing. I like it a lot. Make sure you shake the shit out of it first. Make sure it's good to go. Then I'm gonna show you guys how good this stuff does. Alright. Hold on. Gonna spray. Where should I spray this? Alright, you see how dusty this is? Let me spray it right there. Let that shit soak in. You can do your whole dashboard with just one little spray. It's so hard to film and do something at the same time. Alright, look at this. That's before, and that's after. This stuff is honestly really good. I don't know if you can actually really tell in the video, but in person, it does a big difference. This looks funny. Oh yeah. Just watch, just watch. Just watch. This thing, like dusty before. Bro. Probably shouldn't have sprayed it in these things. There we go. Ah, wait, one of them doesn't want to close. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So, like, sorry, this is so boring. This video is so boring. Got nothing else to do till after Christmas. So, I'm sorry if you guys are bored. But, this thing is turning out nice, turning out clean. I like it. It hasn't been like this in a while. Here's actually a good place I can show you. Alright. Tough Stuff. This is some Tough Stuff. Just spray it in there. Just let it foam up. Might need to shake it again. Alright. Now watch this. Clean my cup holders. Alright. Look how clean that is. Before, after. Now I gotta show you how this non-streaking cleaner works. I like to spray it all over the window because why not? Right there. Alright, maybe that's why you're not supposed to spray the whole window. Looks so good. I'm telling you, this stuff works amazing. You might not be able to tell over the camera, but I'm telling you, this stuff works really good. Go check it out in the description below. So it is the next day, and I completely forgot to end the video yesterday, so I am ending it here. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope everyone has a great Christmas. If you want to see any of those products I use, check out the description below. And that's it. Happy holidays.